is MB Nirmal, founder Exnora. I'm very happy to talk with you on an important issue, I would say project, which will help the temple and help the place where the temple is situated. It's a kind of a win-win-win for everybody. Temple Exnora, already we have chapters for several temples. They're showing remarkable improvement. You will see the videos, what is the work going on there. So Temple Exnora is a chapter of bhaktas for each Hindu temple. Service to temple is service to God. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Sakti Om. Om Namo Venkatesaya Namaha. Om Gam Ganapatiye Namaha. Om Sarvanabhava. So we seek the blessings of all the God. Please go through this divine message fully. You will be blessed by the Almighty, and then everything will be great for you in your life. Do spread this message video by sharing with your family members, relatives, friends, and your into contact circle. As service to God, you will see great things happening in life. You will be wonderstruck by his presentations due to divine blessings and divine call. Authored by Siddha Yogi, Exnora Namas Nirmal, founder, International Hindu Sisterhood and Brotherhood, IHSB, innovator for making Hinduism positive and inclusive by Hinduism SA6, founder Exnora International, Hindu now Hindu. So these are all my contact for the websites, Exnora.org, temple, Exnora.org, Facebook. Please do follow Nostradamus MB Nirmal, Twitter at MB Nirmal, YouTube. All the videos, hundreds of videos are there. Nostradamus Nirmal, introduction of mine, Exnora.org/Nirmal, and then creativity. For creativity, become a Seven Sense Master, www.sevensense.guru, with the blessings of Exnora and Sulochana Ramaseshan, Trustee, Exnora International Foundation, former President of Exnora International. And we begin with giving an award to somebody who has done remarkably well. Temple model dedicated to great soul, role model human, Mr. Venu Srinivasan, an industrialist who is the chairman of TVS Group and Sundaram Clayton Group, who has been serving the society, particularly the poor and lower middle class people in hundreds of villages, quite silently, causing total transformation, simultaneously supporting temples through his matchless Srinivasan Service Trust, SST, with Exnora's Bharat Nirmal Award, meaning Mr. Clean and with pure art. Its same Nirmal means just like central government's Nirmal Gram Puraskar. May God bless Mr. Venu Srinivasan and his household, the best family ever with long healthy life. Hard truth. The miseries are not due to the violence of the bad, but silence of the good. Today's harsh reality. But unfortunately, the good who come out of their silence to do good are pushed into an ocean of miseries. The way out and the good news. Exnora will fully support, back, protect and shield those good who come out of the silence for doing good, and they will be recognized publicly. Caution. Temple Exnora will work hand in hand with HRNC but not hand in glove. Temple Exnora will never be part of HRNC in order to avoid any problems due to small percentage of unscrupulous staff in it. The Temple Exnora members will not opt to become members of also Temple Trust, knowing well that even one trustee does a fraud, like replacing an idol with fake one. The innocent Temple trustee, Exnora trustee, will also become accountable and might get even arrested. Temple Exnora will be a support team to HRNC by host of volunteers. But a stage will reach, everything will be great, then it's up to Temple Exnora member to become a trustee. Our ancestors constructed mammoth and beautiful temples. Temples are ample, which means plentiful, munificent, abundant, full, generous, liberal, and bounteous. The temples were indeed architectural marvels. They construct these architectural wonders. They did not have electricity, diesel, cement, piles, foundation, machines, front-end loaders. So they didn't have any of these things. They didn't have electricity, diesel, cement, piles, foundation, front-end loader, concrete mixing. We cannot create one temple of such grandeur and magnificence with all our modern technology and our creativity. Can't we maintain these architectural marvels with our participation during your leisure, kindly ponder. Here is the down-to-earth guidance. Please see our ancestors' contribution. We also want to say, besides the building, the Panchalok, it's all done by ancestors. It's all sold for several crores abroad. And we can't make one, but we can make fake. So it's all due to our negligence. So I request all of you to join. The temple car itself moves so fast because the devotees jointly pull it together. Chapter 1, Temple Model, Marvel and Example. Our ancient temples were our models. I'll be very fast because the time is important. People have no time. I'll be fast, but it'll be really mind-boggling. Temple Ample 1. Temple Marvel. Temple Architectural. Temple Monumental. Temple Historical. Temple Archaeological. Temple Spiritual. Temple Natural. Temple Environmental. Temple Botanical. Temple Horticultural. Temple Memorial. Temple Incredible. Temple Technological. Temple Astronomical. Temple Methodical. Temple Colossal. Temple Minuscule, but say a big no to those on the payments. Temple Magical. Temple Musical. The staircase, when you walk, you'll hear music. The pillars, musical pillars. Temple Mystical. Temple Miracle, flag flying in the wind's opposite direction, hanging pillar. Temple Jungle. Temple Medical. Temple Medical. These temples are known, Vaidiswaran Koil and Dhanvantari. People fall sick, they pray and they get cured. Temple Spectacle. Temple Pinnacle, Mountain Peak. Temple Invisible, underground there are temples. Temple Forestial. Temple Zoological. See, temple means not just human beings, these animals also there they coexist. Temple Birds Domicile, owl, pigeon, eagle, sparrow, myna, crow, duck, stork, all they come there. Temple Animal Habitable, we have elephant, cow, monkey, horse. Temple Example. Temple Reptile, snake, everything is there. Temple Cultural. Temple Human Resource Developmental. See, so many places, a very common place at zero budget, zero cost meetings take place. People develop listening. Temple Fine Arts Promotional. Temple Sculptural. Temple Chisel, wood carving. Temple Mural. Temple Artistical, Rangoli. Temple Metal, Panchalogam, I told you about this. Temple Floral. Temple Stockpile, the street storage, they store the seeds, the kalasam, even some natural calamity takes place, you have like Reserve Bank, seeds bank is there. Temple Magnetical, it's a claim that this kalasam will act as a lightning conductor, however there is no scientific basis for the claim. Temple Fitness Center, physical, mental, soul, all these things are taken care. Temple Fitness, physical acupressure, when you walk barefoot on the hot granite surface. Therapeutical, whole body self massage, when you do Anga Pradarsanam. Temple Gymnastical, see weightlifting. Temple Athletical, team works, people pull the temple car together. Temple Health Progressional, Ashtanga Namaskaram. Temple Overall Health Improvemental, Ashtanga Namaskaram, knees, chest and chin of muscles, bones, nerves, cells all get energized. Temple Whole Brain Stimulational, Topokarmam, that. Temple Fitness, mental, by meditation, meditational. Temple Nostril. Temple Nostril means you do pranayam, temple pranayam centers. Temple Spiritual. Temple Charitable. Temple, you see the people during flood, they go and stay there. The food is given. It's a charity organization, 24 to 365. Temple Social, people gather, they socialize. Temple Vocational, what are the things are there? Carpentry, flower decoration, electrical decoration. Temple Cooking, Spiritualism, Nandavanam Gardening, this all there. It gives job to so many vocational. Temple Vocational Training Institute, jewelry making, sculpting, wood carving, tailoring, pottery, masonry. Temples Professional, Yes, uniqueness of temple. Employment exchange, providing employment opportunities. Temple was also only for employment. Under God, direct, indirect employment jobs were always available for carpenters, electricians, plumbers, painters, masons, sculptors, florists, cooks, musicians, instrumentalists, dancers, gardeners, barbers. This is very long. Temple matrimonial, very interesting. So they see bride and they fix the marriage. The music is ready there. Nadaswaram Tavil, garland is available there. The priest to perform the marriage are always available. Marriage takes place. Elephant is there to bless them, and food ready. I think just see. I call it. It's you can do a marriage with some 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees. Only doing this method, following this method, and what could be great than doing it in a temple? Temple hospitable. See, hospitality means temple. If you go there, they give you prasadam. Temple music vocal. Temple music instrumental. Temple dance spectacle. Temple recital. They chant mantras. Temple rituals. Temple aisle. Temple multiple. Temple all in one place. Temple multiple. Temples do 15 services besides serving. It's a place for prayer. For details, see enclosure. So you can see it's available as e-book, PPT, and also now the video. So it's environmental center, engineering, architecture, learning institute. People from Germany come they come and see Tanjore Temple, Madurai Temple. They make diagrams. Fine Arts Sabha, Auto Physical Fitness Center, Community Hall for Celebration, Employment Exchange, Trade Development Center, Animal Welfare Board, Counseling and Mediation Center, place for harmony and oneness, Six Senses Stimulation Source. You can see Seven Sense Player, there you will know about it. It's HRD Institute, Culture and Heritage Center, Social Service Charitable Organization, Fine Arts College, Natural Gym, Catering and Hospitality Institute, Vocational Training Institute, place for relaxation, Dhyan and Meditation Center, Marriage, Matrimonial Bureau, Marriage and Functions Hall, place for motivation, inspiration, oath, taking office, Sankalp, Art School, College, University, say our soul center during natural disasters. See, one place, temple does so many things. What are we doing with it? What are we doing? It's a call. So we are very successful. We take care of solid waste management, and wonderful things are happening. You join 100%. You will see there are so many presentations which I am going to share with you right now. So yes, our ancestors constructed mammoth and beautiful temples. I told you, everybody. The temples were constructed when there was no electricity, diesel, cement, piles, foundation, front end loaders, concrete mixing. Don't take it, the ancestors gifted us 5 priceless treasures. Now there is never before need for temple explore everywhere. Why? So these are the chapters. One is temple model marvel. The second chapter is shocked. Temple sorrowful. All due to our acts of commission omission. Temple emulational. There are extras created hundreds of temples, models, emulationals. Temple delightful and inspirational. These are all the temples constructed by Sri Lankan throughout the world. They have taken Hinduism to the nook and corner of the world. They involve the local people, community, they integrate them with Hinduism, and they have done the same thing in Sri Lanka. So these temples are going to see how beautiful they are. Hindus are the best role model. It's another chapter. Temples have a role for every devotee. Now, I told you all these things. The entire talent is available in the temple itself. So somebody should volunteer. It can be even social media volunteering, some volunteering. So we are giving a first activity, explore a tree challenge. What it is, you must plant a tree and before the God you have promise and challenge somebody. Even the priest can give you a tree, making a challenge to you. So you have to plant a tree and challenge. The interesting thing is some fun element is added. You plant a tree and sing a song or chant a mantra like Om Namah Shivaya, Shivaya Namaga. Anything you can chant. Or you can sing a song, play an instrument, you can dance. You can draw a painting of the tree. You are making the tree happy. There are 24 options what you can do before a tree. You can give a tree salute and then challenge another person to plant a tree. Please start right now. But there is a separate chapter you can do. You can see a temple resourceful. Everything, Panchabhudam is there in the temple itself. You will see it. It's not a Seva hub. So there's something wonderful. You will see place where, temple has so many chowtries, can do seva, humanity, divinity bank. That's what we don't need in the house. We can bring it, sort it, and give it to poor. Extra Environment Institute, the people retired, housewives, educated, they all come and become trainers. You are given badge, rank, and all. Cent, Latin, patent, potent, talent sheet. What is that exactly? A temple, to make it wonderful, beautiful. You have everything available in the temple itself. For example, you want to plant tree. The forest officer is also a devotee. You want fire safety. The fire officer is a devotee. So we have the talent. If you talent pool, only thing we didn't have proper format to know who are there, who can do what. So an electronic form is created. Scent means you smell. Latent means hidden. Patent means visible. Potent, powerful. Talent, sheet. Temple outreach. Many religions convert people because of outreach program. But Exnora, we created an outreach program. It's called Temple Outreach without moving an inch. People all come to temple. That's where you can use it. Believe it or not only temple, the entire village or town of the temple, where the temple is situated, can become something like Singapore. Then temple external, Jivan Shastra, is living as human being. There are 10 kinds of environment shared, and if you follow even 5, 6, it's very easy to get it individually and collectively, definitely. Then you will see your genes change. This has been found out by scientists. So 10 environment for living as human being. Temple external, Manushya Shastra means being human being. Again, we are given 10 character, and 10 competence, 10 conquest. So this all, if we follow, Adya Shastra was written by Chanakya. But this is how you can excel in life. So model that models. Exnora has created hundreds of models. A model slum, we call it slum awesome. Model home handsome. Then street, sweet, we have it. And we have neighborhood, factory, artistry. So all these things are available as video. You must see that. So what I told you was that there are so many models we have created, and these models for every place, can be a school, street, a neighborhood, a residential colony, a town, village, a college, school, cool, college, green, collage. All these things are available, and the students can join, do this, and this should be shared in the temple. And then temple pinnacle, students we teach how they can become innovators. Then nobody can stop this shared. This is something very highly paid course made free for Temple Exnora members. This is very interesting. You will see a presentation on it. Habit, grab it. There are 5 habits, you need it. The 5 habits, if you do that, will become great. 3 wins, 3 sins, and 3 wins. You must see this. I think everything, all the ideas for me came out of 3 bins, 3 sins, and 3 wins. The 3 bins, what I mean is, the first bin is a trash bin outside your home. If you don't deal with it properly, it creates problem, from insect, fly, mosquito to dog and birds. Of course, it becomes responsible for water stagnation and whole lot of issues then. So this bin has to be taken. When we say this bin, we mean the whole world. So this bin represents street bin, world. The second bin is your stomach. So stomach is another bin. Stomach, whatever you eat, it will come out next day. But don't forget, it will leave a mark there. Okay, it keeps on creating mark. When the number of marks increase, one day the person dies. So second bin. Third bin is mind bin, brain bin. Whatever goes inside, it's very difficult to remove. But we have taught you how first you can stop dirt falling into your mind. We got MBN window, endo, like Emerson, the 10 windows. Your children, you can use it and bring them up. And so the mind is the third bin. For this where the Manushya Shastra comes. If you know 10 windows, your children you don't need to worry about at all. Then zero in and zero world. You won't believe, we share with you about 340 zeros. Each zero means, put zero before something bad, like zero garbage, zero sewage, zero mosquito, zero lack of security, zero security, all those things, zero women safety, everything covered. So it's for you to go and see introduction, change, climate change. Incredible, I want to tell you that the solution we found to change climate change has been approved as the best by United States, will be released shortly. So there is this responsibility also going to take it. Hindu, we change the spelling. What we say by Hindu, Hindu should do. Hindus are doing charity and all, but only difference what we want to make, whatever help they do, let them come to the temple and do it in their own name and also include the temple name. Because that's where Hindus fail. Hindus, whatever they do, it will be 1,000 times than other faiths, but it doesn't come on record or it's not noticed. Just imagine, birthday, you celebrate birthday, you donate money, food and all. When you celebrate the birthday in the temple, and same thing you do it in the temple. Then temple also gets a image, and Hinduism gets image. Action begins here, what you should do immediately. Then a gift, temple tranquil. You can go to another world. We teach you 7 sense prayer. The person who is talking with you now was zero, absolute zero, total flop, but he became hero by it, as described. Reader's Digest in India Today wrote, an angel of change, all because of 7 sense. I'm going to share with you. And then temple excellent. Why? We have so many dangers, global dangers to local issues. So global dangers means climate change. Climate change results in more than, I would say, 40 major calamities, including earthquakes, tsunami, flood, rain, and so many other things. So all these things, what we should do before, during, after is shared. So it's very important on climate change, global dangers. Then why we all do it? Temple can become a nerve center to address the issue of poverty. The poverty is so much, and that's the reason for law and order issues. Child labor horror. Exnora filed a case in the High Court Chennai. They said you have a police department to recover the stolen idols, but the real life idols, the children are stolen, but there's no department to trace. The police have so many issues. Then thanks to the case filed by us, they have created a department. Many children have been traced. So it's all possible. Slum gruesome. People feel awkward about nearby slum. You also need workers. They should also live. So hundreds of slums have been transformed. We call it slum awesome. The most important thing for slum beautification is what you call people's participation. We call it human capital. We'll involve them. For example, we created drainages in many slums at 20% cost. This cement sand pipe for drainage given by rotary lines or some external body, but people give the certain toil, which is actually the major component of the expenditure. Then women condition worsen. So we have women woken Agnistri. See, now imagine, you just think, if you are able to, you are also educated people, retired, but still you are capable. I am 78. Look at my voice. So my request to all of you, become, you are giving very attractive designations. You become, acharyas. You become acharyas. You teach these great things. All these subjects, this only, I would say, representational. The whole topics are so many. That means a chowdhury can be booked and the people can come. The teachers, trainers can do it by rotation. And all the topic people want, this can be addressed. So Temple Exnora, immediately we need to, suppose you are, I think definitely should have been motivated. When you see temple sorrowful, you will cry and join. But one place we should meet each other. It's not just you like it, you get into know more about it. There's a Facebook page created for this purpose, Temple Exnora, Temple Marvel and Model. Go there and join. Send a request, you will be immediately accepted. The advantage of Temple Exnora is most of the experts in Exnora, solid waste, liquid waste, mosquito, safety, everyone is there. They are there. So as and when you ask questions, they will answer. So let us all, if a temple is there, the whole town or village should become beautiful. So that's how we should promote the image. It's image building exercise for temple, don't forget it. So this is a place where we meet. Facebook, Temple Model and Marvel, Temple Exnora /Facebook. And I want to finally say the organization we founded so far, but it is all pipeline. Totally 120 organizations have been founded, websites are created, videos are being released. Exnora org for a wonder world, home Exnora org, how you can make your home clean, green, safe, model, eco-friendly and all. We teach about 40 kinds of safety you need in your home. Then women safety and development, agnis3.org in Tamil, in English, women woken. You become creative and excel. There's nothing called dull-headed or dunce. Only two categories people, you can't reprogram them. One, alcoholics. Number two, people mentally retarded. Except everyone can become creative. I tell you something, in India, we always say for Hindus and Muslims and Christians, one is not enemy of another. And for Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, one is not enemy of another. For same thing, you got to cost. But globally, we have climate change. Locally, we have mosquito and corona, which are killing thousands of people. We lost sight of our common enemies, but fighting within ourselves. So Temple Exnora will unite. It will promote also Muslims and Christians. You see a separate presentation called Mother for Harmony. So mosquito, there won't be mosquito. So mosquito creates 8 kinds of diseases. First is the elephantiasis. Somebody's elephantiasis, his wife or husband will divorce. And number 2, what you call, you'll be discarded by the society. Life, you will lose kind of peace and all. Plastic pollution prevention. Absolutely, it's called P3 by M3. Plastic pollution prevention. M3 means minimum use of plastics, maximum reuse of plastics which come to you, must save disposal. Then simplicity, sensibility. The climate change age, simplicity is important, but simplicity are several kinds, like material simplicity, behavioral simplicity, method simplicity, communication simplicity, procedure simplicity, law simplicity, sleep simplicity, food simplicity. Everything we share as videos joint. Now, we are taking a very serious matter. 5th pillar for corruption prevention. In fact, erupt against corrupt is a slogan. This I started 25 years ago with C. Subramaniam, Bharat Ratna. It's again started with Vittal, the great, wonderful IAS officer, was a Vigilance Commissioner in Chennai, with Vijayan as President, T. K. Ramkumar secretary. So 5th pillar chapter will start. I promise you, we also created pillar of pillars. First pillar, second pillar, and all we have created. It's called chessmate, checkmate. What do you mean by that? You can the problem of what you call corruption can be knocked out easily. You can so mother everywhere for harmony with other religions. To promote vegetarianism, there's a Veg Edge Club. You can start it, and if anybody sees that website, Life for Life, they'll become vegetarians. And it's eating meeting, not eating meat. This wrong idea is there. Vegetarians have very less varieties, but you Google for it. If I'm right, about more than 4.5 lakhs recipes are available. You will see the greatest thinkers, scientists, innovators are all, they are staunch vegetarians, they are very vocal and vociferous. So I told you about Veg Edge. And then we have etiquette, 50 kinds of etiquette you can learn, and safety, more than about 80 safety. Ethics, 30 kinds. One more idea is called Mori. Particularly this is for Indians in America and abroad, because those American Indians went to USA 20 years before. In their house, they don't speak Tamil. Tamil is a forgotten language, and Tamil lost its currency. The great leaders like Anna and his brothers said, nation's language Tamil, not to Modi Tamil. And Mapu said, Manila Modi, state's language. So Nirmal says, Vittu Modi Tamil, Pechu Modi Tamil. So the house should speak Tamil. That's how Tamil will live. And children can read Thirukural. So place of worship, human flagship, temple divine call. That's what you are seeing, Temple Exnora. But we are talking about climate change. So everybody should do that. Church, Holy March, and mosque, God's task. This is all available. Exnora founded, the first great resident by Exnora. We created Exnora Women's Guild. One Rajalakshmi and Batma Narasimhan came and met me. We asked to start Exnora Women's Guild, and they started Darshini because to receive funds, but it's absolutely a wing of the Exnora. Batman Narasimhan and Soumya and many others, they have been reading and scribing for hundreds of and they have become graduates, postgraduate, doctorates. Some of them joined teachers in IIT. Then I happen to be a student of Pachipas College, preserve, Pachip and reserve. See, these are all only like a tip of the iceberg. Only I told you that this is the organization, all are solutions for every problem. You can even tell any problem. Probably you have to innovate a problem. The solutions have all been found out. Anything you need, office bearers, roles for goals, goal for roles. So service torch bearers we call them. There will be a president, vice president. His duty is to promote communal harmony. Secretary, joint secretary, clean green towns, villages. Via Exnora Innovators Club. We teach the villages how to innovate. Then Residence Welfare Exnora, treasurer is there. Joint treasurer, funds endless. I want to tell you, the moment you start a temple Exnora, you will start a companion temple Exnora in all the major towns throughout the world. Those who are gone and staying in US or UK or France, they will all join. See, now we are creating a infrastructure, body, safety. In temple alone, kinds of safety needed is mind-boggling. In the prasadam, stale prasadam can cause you food poison. In temple, stampedes happen, fire accidents happen, and temple, people are affected by floods in temple. And temple itself, there are so many issues, and temple burglars enter, they kill the priest and the watchman. It's all so casual, and we take the pond, people slip and get drowned there. Temple car tumbles, and temple properties, jewelries, both immovable, movable, all stolen already. 80% gone. The remaining 20% you can save by joining. This is safety is a very long subject. Then director, sanitation, hygiene, environment. So sanitation very important. It's covered separate topic. Hygiene. When you go to temple, you place your hand in so many places. The prasadam is given, you take with your bare hand and eat. I don't need to tell you. Even the God won't pardon you. Environment. There are two environment. One is global, local, but temple environment. Then So temple heritage is very great. The heritage, our culture is passed on through temples, generation after generation. Etiquette. The temple you need etiquette. And you can't go with a lot of jewelry and can't talk in mobile loudly. So many, etiquette alone, 24 kinds of etiquette we are dealt with. Then director, culture, arts, fine arts. So this is very important. All these things flourish. This all still alive thanks to temple. Then director, humanity service. I told you humanity, divinity bank, humanity seva hub. I told you. Then there's a director to serve. Organization called Temple Exnora. I think I told you in one presentation all ideas, but I'm not gone in detail. You have to go to separate presentations. So seva role for every devotee is there. I think that's how you can serve God. And what we do is go to temple and pray God, but we litter and do or commit. We urinate on the wall outside. So it's something wrong. We'll stop it. And we'll stop it. The point is nobody told them what they should do, how they should do. Nobody facilitated. Nobody created an exclusive networking organization. So Temple Exnora will be there throughout India. You can learn experience of others, implement it here. So Exnora was founded in 1989. It started Tamil Nadu, which is, got so many dimensions. I want to say a big thanks to you for patient listening. I started, see all the videos, and I promise you, because I called you myself Siddha Yogi, is a fact, because I don't have anything. I'm very average. I studied in government school and Pachipas College and joined as a clerk. That way I didn't get my confirmation. But all this thing came from the divine. So Arunachalam Solran Nirmal Kekran. That's what I want to say. So it's a divine blessing. So you carry the blessing when you do this. Simple service you can do is share the video immediately with all your friends, relatives, all your circle through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, whatnot, and ask all of them to contact us. My phone number is 98400 34900. I repeat, 98400 34900. And one more thing I want to say, it's not necessary you should do. Suppose you live abroad, what you can do, or you live in a village and moved out to another town. You find one or two people who have time and who have interest, particularly the bhaktas. If you select them and pass on the name to us, we will use them. So either you do it or find someone who will do it, and both way the God will bless you. I don't think there could be greater service than this. That's how Tilakar sir, Vadavarapani did. When the Bible said cleanliness next to godliness, he said godliness next to cleanliness. He went and cleaned the temple and then took a bath and worshipped God. Why not he become a 5% of him? Thank you. Stay in touch. We are going to create a revolution. Everybody is having an eye on temple. Everybody from it's I can tell you, people who have an eye are the local politicians, even atheists have that, even corporate gurus have an eye on temples, all of them. But the local community are the best custodians. So local custodians, the devotees, they should do that. This ownership should not be passed on. We tied up with HRNC. So HRNC mainly we have done collaboration is, see, there is no conflict of interest or confrontation. They will cooperate and they are working, and the minister, the commissioner of HRNC, they all inaugurated, blessed it. We have trained many of the HRNC officials. I have got a very good news to you. We found about 75 to 80% HRNC staff and officials are God-fearing and are very honest. So the success journey starts, and we'll involve the businessmen there. We'll involve the transport operators, those who supply to temple like prasadam, and everybody, garlands, and so we have found out there are 10 stakeholders. That kind of, it's like a parliament. So we can create a temple parliament. We can do wonders, and first we have to preserve the building crumbling. Many buildings are crumbled due to people's apathy. So it's the biggest insult we give to our ancestors. So I want to not hold you further. Please do share. There will be a Tamil version of it too. Thank you. May God bless you. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go and click the bell icon to get regular updates from our channel. In case you have missed any videos, please visit the channel page by clicking the channel icon.